Bikaner Junction to passenger from Bikaner Junction to is starting at platform number 5. Please train number 74.
We've just arrived in a town called Fatehpur in the Shekhawati region, and we're staying at a Haveli called Le Prince, owned by a French woman. It's being restored by a whole lot of French students, and it's a really beautiful place, really interesting. They're doing some amazing work, and it's great to be here. We're just going to spend a bit of time hanging out in the nice garden bar and exploring the town, and it's a nice out-of-the-way sort of place. Should we go in?
Yeah, go on. Whereas does you stand to a temple with a little bit spooky?
Yeah, sounds good. This is there's a very nice abandoned, I guess it's a temple.
It is a temple.
Temple that kind of, but then I think a lot of the houses and places are abandoned as well, which is kind of, like you say, it's a bit sad because they need to be looked after, but at the same time, it's kind of cool decay, nice decay.
Yeah.
Nutcase are called.
It must have been really glorious in their heyday.
Yeah.
All this marble and stonework, paintings.
Yeah. Yeah. This middle bit kind of looks a bit newer, doesn't it? Almost like it was added.
Maybe.
Added more recently.
Yeah. Bit of a drop down there.
I don't know.
We need a motorcycle before? Okay.
I have one at home.
Oh,
the
you
same,
do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some sand? Okay.
That was amazing. We're in Ramgarh, having just ridden in on Royal Enfields from Fatehpur, and it's an amazing old town filled with old crumbling Havelis, and we rode through in bikes. It was pretty awesome, and now just exploring these incredible old centigraphs of, I guess, giant gravestones for famous people here.